So what is causing the stock market to go up? What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions here with a quick little stock market update. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm looking at. I just announced my reduction of position size on TQQQ. I went from at one point 18,000 shares now to 9,000. So I've cut my position in half. I'm up $22,000 on the day. I can show you some of my orders, sell. Why am I selling so aggressively? My selling started, just so you guys can see, my selling started right around 26.54. But why? Right? I like to explain my thought process, not because I need you to agree with me. I know a lot of people won't, right? But my job is just to make sense of my trades and to not put myself in a position that I can't tolerate, right? I had a very big position size, and when we were approaching this continuous resistance level, one of the things that I began to notice is that literally almost every single time we would come close to 2660, 2650, would get rejected. 2660 would get rejected. 2660, 50 would get rejected. My job's not to be perfect. I'm not a perfect trader. I understand that of me, and the more that I say that, the easier it is for me to just lock in profits. I began to reduce my position size as we approached this general area, 2654, then 2675, then 2671, then 2670. I hit highs of 2676. I got really close to that all-time high for the day. As of right now, the reason I am reducing my position size is we are beginning to somewhat trade sideways, and or it's beginning to slow down at the rate that it's growing. I still have 9,000 shares, so I'm still partaking in the action to some degree, but I wanted to reduce my position size enough that if the stock begins to pull on back, that I'm able to tolerate the pullback first, and second, that I'm prepared that I can buy more if I want to. And having that option makes me feel good. And it's just that, right? How horrible does it feel when you're fully invested, you don't lock in profits, and the stock drops, and you feel like all you want that stock to do is just to return to previous highs? I've been in that position too many times to make that same mistake. Again, my job's not to be perfect. My job is just to make progress, and that's exactly what I'm trying to do. If it continues to indicate signs of an upturn, then guess what? I can always re-enter and revisit the trade opportunity if I see it to be fit. One of the things that I quickly wanted to talk about is some of the economic reports that were released today, better than expected. That's actually why the market is in the green. So we have the Empire State Manufacturing coming in at 11.1. The expectation was actually at negative 0.9. That caused a pretty significant jump right during the pre-market session. We have one of the biggest contributors, I would say, is 1 hour before the market opens, and that's retail sales. And that came in at 1%. Expectation was at 0.8. And then we have retail sales ex auto, so not including auto, that came in at 1%, expectation at 0.6. One of the last things that we actually caught in today's live trading session, I'm not too sure if you were able to watch today's live trading session. If you didn't, it's literally the video that I uploaded right before this. The consumer sentiment report was released 30 minutes after the market opened. We saw how the market reacted. It was better than expected, and this was at 51.1. Expectation was at 49. Prior was 50. And again, all of these reports came out today, and they all came out positive or better than expected. And guess what? We still have that same resistance level. And that's actually something that we talked about in today's live session, where with all these reports coming out, it acted as a positive catalyst, meaning that it caused the market to go up within a very short period of time. This is a perfect example. This was leading into that consumer report. The consumer report came out 30 minutes after the market opened. Boom, popped up, but it wasn't able to surpass previous highs, right? It got rejected once again. Resistance. And that's all I kept seeing, right? Where they're like warning signs. They're red flags being waved of like, hey, we're not able to trade above or consistently hold above this level. So my job, again, is to play it safe. If the past 7 months have taught me anything, it's to never be afraid to lock in profits, because one of the worst feelings is going from green on a trade to red on a trade. So I don't know about you guys, but one of the things that I do want to remind you is that today we are running our biggest sell ever for Learn Plan Profit 2.0. It's $150 off. It's all inclusive. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. And again, it includes the A to Z video lesson library designed for complete beginners, our daily live trading sessions, so being able to watch me enter, exit, share my thought process every single day, daily or a private group chat for Learn Plan Profit, and then you get access to the Tech Buds HQ. My job here is to provide the most value, to be of value for someone that's just getting started. So being able to watch me trade live every day, having lifetime access to all the updates to the A to Z video lesson library, and then anytime you have any questions, not only can you ask me through private group chat, right, but you can also ask me during our live sessions. And then of course, the cherry on top is the TechBuds HQ that you have access to if you're part of Learn Plan Profit. It's the commercial building I bought in Chandler, Arizona. It's our trading HQ, and it's exclusive only to LPP members at no additional cost. It just comes included in this Learn Plan Profit 2.0. So if you're ready to join our team, if you've been waiting for the biggest discount, then here it is, $150 off. And that's that first link in the description. I'm excited to see which way the market ends up going. If it goes up, I'd be excited to re-enter. If it pulls on back, I'm prepared since I reduced my position size. And I feel like that's the best position to be in, where you're eager to see what happens next, not needing something to happen next. So I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope and wish you guys an amazing weekend. I'm excited for those that do join our team. I will see you on Monday at Market Open for our live trading session. I hope that it earned your thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. I upload new videos every single day. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.